In today's video, I'm going to teach you HubSpot automations with Make. We'll walk through the basic setup for creating a simple automation that connects HubSpot to Make, so you can start moving data between tools more efficiently. If you're new to Make, think of a scenario as an automated workflow made up of a trigger and one or more actions. To begin, log into your Make dashboard. This is where all of your scenarios live, and it's the starting point for building any automation. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the option to create a new scenario and click Create Scenario. After the scenario builder opens, search for the HubSpot CRM module. This lets Make connect directly with your HubSpot portal so it can watch for changes or perform actions based on the setup you choose. When you select HubSpot, you'll be prompted to sign in and authorize Make to access your HubSpot account. Complete that connection securely, and make sure you approve the correct portal if you manage more than one. Once the connection is ready, choose your trigger. In this example, you can use something like watch records. The trigger is what tells the automation when to start, so this step is important because it defines the event Make should monitor inside HubSpot. Next, configure the actions that should happen after that trigger. For example, you might create a contact, update a deal, or perform another HubSpot action depending on the data coming in. As you set this up, map the data fields carefully. Field mapping is what tells Make which information from the trigger should be passed into the next step. Taking a moment here to match the right values can help prevent errors later and make sure your automation behaves the way you expect. Once everything is configured, click Save. Saving locks in your current setup so you can test it without losing your work. After that, click Run Once to test the automation using sample data. This is your chance to review the output and confirm that the trigger fires correctly, the fields are mapped properly, and the final action completes as expected. If anything looks off, you can go back and adjust it before turning the workflow on. When the test looks good, toggle the scenario to on. That activates the automation so it can begin running in the background according to the trigger you selected. And that's it. You've now built a HubSpot automation in Make from connection to testing to activation.